Right? I look at your expressions as well. All of you are like, wow. Right? So it's one thing to hear about facts and figures, but here is what is remarkable with Dr. Len's presentation, is that doctors and patients really have a relationship. When was the last time you really had this relationship with your pulmonologist? Right? And it is an evolving phenomenon where even doctors are learning. So that's also thank you to our medical practitioners who keep at it because they need to stay ahead so that they can take care of us, of our senior citizens as well. So thank you very, very much for that, Dr. Len, driving home the message that, wow, prevention is cure. And on top of that, we need to be aware. I think that is the first step. How can we prevent something if we do not know? So today, wow, thank you GSK, we know, and we will know more. But we will take a step back from doctor talks, and we will talk to a very proud senior citizen who is actually someone who is willing to share her story when it comes to taking charge of her health. Very special guest who won the hearts of Filipino audiences, truly an indelible icon in Philippine entertainment and pop culture. She has this iconic comedic role as, I wonder, kilala niyo ba si Donya Buding? Yeah. Penthouse Live with Pops and Martin, no? Diba? Ayan. Lumabas mga edad natin. Okay lang yan. She showcased her exceptional talent and versatility in the 1980s. And she began her journey in the University of the Philippines, Diliman, where she developed her skills as a member of the UP Concert Chorus. Yes, she is a powerhouse singer, besides being a wonderful comedian and actress. She performed on stage, not just here in the Philippines, but across the US, Europe, Middle East, Asia, and Australia, captivating audiences with her dedication to the arts. Her passion for music was evident when she won the top prize in the 7th Metro Pop Music Festival in, sasabihin ko ba yung year? Yes, because she's very proud as a senior citizen indeed, 1984. She has the endearing title of the Funny Lady of Songs. Now, she is also an educator, ladies and gentlemen. She teaches in esteemed institutions like the Philippine Christian University and Wesleyan University, Philippines. And now, you can see her on TikTok, keeping up with the times, to of course reach out to her fans and to even younger audiences. Thank you for the transparency that she allowed me to say. She manages type 2 diabetes, asthma, and hypertension. And she continues to approach life with her trademark humor, fondly calling herself now the queen of maintenance medicines. So at 71 years old and proud of it, she's here to share with us her amazing journey, emphasizing the importance of health and vigilance against infections so that she can cherish more moments with her loved ones. You know who she is. A round of applause for Miss Nanette Inventor. Good morning, Miss Nanette.
Parang queen. Good morning, ma'am. May kodi ko ako. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this lapel. Ang gaganda, babata pa. Older adult. Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Did you have all breakfast treat?
Yeah.
So it's time to know more. You got it from Dr. Salampe and also Isa Litang and then Dr. Fernandez. O sige, ako naman siguro. It's time to know all about it. From Pag-asa or from Marites? Okay, ito na. So, the world is facing a triple treat with a convergence of 3 viral infections, namely influenza, COVID, and now RSV. Parang responde de silver play. A virus giving an invitation, ganun ba yun? Or is it saying that a virus inviting you to raise awareness, concern, precautions to reduce risk and stay safe? Okay? So, the speakers, as I've said before, Dr. Solante, Dr. Fernandez, and a little of course, my dear, beautiful Isa Layton. They've spoken about RSV, respiratory syncytial, ano ba pronunciation ito? Syncy. Pumupugak-pugak yung akin. Ano kaya ang nangyayari? Pinapakos?
Oo, kapag pinapaos.
Mr. Pro? Ganon.
That's okay. I will be your man.
No, I can help. Thank you very much. Para kakanta lang yan. So, yung mga usually the cold-like symptoms, however, which can cause serious illness in infants, young children, and older adults. As I've said earlier, nandun po ako sa kategorya ng 9.2 million na older adult. So that's why I'm standing here for that. And I'm willing to share with you my personal journey. Wow. We're going to take you a trip to my personal journey. Okay. Siyempre, ang personal journey, I will share the struggles I had with my medical conditions and finally realized my health fragility. Okay, a person with comorbidity has 2 or more significant clinical conditions. I am from the media. May diabetes po ako. At saka na-tense din ako tuwing nagkakaroon ng show, kaya nag-hyper po ako. Hypertension, meron din ako niyan. So diabetes, marami pong jokes na ang diabetes meron tayong tinatawag na harmful stigma. Well, ayun na yung self-blame, tapos the rising. Meron pa rin tayong mga you are ripe for ridicule. Dahil kasi most of the time, a sea of people believe that you have that because it is caused by your gluttony. Ay, masakit sa akin yan. Hindi ako glutton. Goodness gracious. Diabetes is not a personal failing. Diabetes is a disease that can already feel like a full-time job. Like you have to know your carbo content. Checking your blood sugar 4 times a week. Prick ka ng prick. Na-deflate na ako sa kaka-prick. Kaya nagpapavulcanize na ako ngayon. Ako, tapos sa kaka-google mo, knowing how to manage your diabetes. Google dito, reading books, how to manage it. Naku, it has ripened my cataracts, ready for harvest. So, and the high cost, keeping up with a cabinet of medications and supplement, hindi biro-biro, ang taas na ng mga medicine ngayon. Thanks for Suki Senior of Mercury. Jokes around hypertension, meron din mga stigma dyan. I just recently visited my doctor, si internist cardiologist. Sabi niya, oh, tapos na ba yung blood profile mo? Ah, yes, doc. Sabi ko gano'n. Sabi niya, ano, oh, ito, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, high anxiety. Sagot ko, Doc, getting high is no fun. Bakit? Sabi niya, Doc, kaya ang doctor's fee mo. Ay, tapos yung mga binibigay mo ng mga branded medicine, ako high din ang presyo. But okay lang talaga, sinabi ko na kanina pa, Suki Senior ako sa Mercury. Kaya nagkakaroon ako ng mga 20% discount. Now, how medical conditions, should I say, affected my family life? I'm missing occasions and then emotional impact on your loved ones. Ay, personally to Ay, sige na, sasabihin ko na rin. I'm not married. I've always been single ever since I can remember. But I still go on dates. Oh, laban kayo? Sino ikaw? Mamaya na tayo mag-usap. Okay ako. Okay. Game ako dyan. Before, pag nagde-date ako, ang gusto kong pwesto, saan malapit sa window para nakakita ka ng view. You can see people walking hand in hand. HHPSPS, hand in hand. Pa-swing-swing pa. Kikita mo sila, ano? Tapos marami ka nakikita. Pero ngayon, pag nakikipag-date ako, gusto kong pwesto sa restaurant, yung malapit sa CR. Papunta pa lang ako sa CR, 2 beses na ako nag-stop sa isang gasoline station para dahil na sa akin UI. Urinary incontinence. LBC. Hindi express padala ng LBC. LBC, loss of bladder control. Ay, talaga naman. Tapos pag nakikipag-date ka pa, pag diabetic ka, ito siyempre kung bubuksan mo yung menu, ay, tapos nakalagay, dapat, sabi ng doktor, fat-free, gluten-free, cholesterol-free, and dairy-free. Ano na lang makakain ko? Side salad? Ay, naku. Tapos ang waiter pa, bigla akong tatanungin, what do you want to have for dessert, mom? Cake? No. I said, chocolate parfait? No. Souffle? No. Crabs? No. Custard pudding? No. Mouse? Mousse? Mousse? No. What's your choice, ma'am? Green tea. Bakit? CMD ako eh. Ano yung CMD? Comorbidity diet. Okay. Ngayon, siyempre, pag ganyan na ang iyong condition, medical condition, you will ask yourself, ano nangyari sa'yo for you to change your attitude? Para magbago ka at magkaroon ka ng parang attention sa iyo to manage your medical conditions. Turning point. November 2021, I was hit by COVID-19 Delta variant. I was hospitalized for 15 days sa lung center of the Philippines. I went through restrictions which were major, ika nga ni Venus Ra. Okay? Known for my being a stand-up comedian and as a dedicated educator of communication skills for 17 years, I was silenced with a breathing machine attached to my genetically constructed flat nose. Deprived of good sleep due to close monitoring of blood sugar, chest x-ray, checking temperature. Di ba, mag-check yung temperature, pwede naman oral yan. Pero yung assign sa akin na nurse, lagi nalalagay sa kilikili, nakikiliti ako, para ako makakatulog. Ay, sabi ko sa inyo. At ito pang isa. Naku, yung medtech na kumukuha ng aking ng blood extraction, kung bakit hindi siya maka-target? Ewan ko ba talaga nag-miss talaga. Sabi ko, ano ba nangyayari sa akin dito? My both arms, they turned black and blue. And it was like I was a remnant from a wrestling fight. Hindi ko talaga alam. And to top it all off, I was deprived of access to my comfort food. Everything they served in the hospital tasted like paper. Even though my vision was impaired, limiting me to recognize only the white collar. Nurse dadating white, doctor dadating white, medtech dadating white, naka-white, lahat, pati utility naka-white. And as to bodily function, my urine output was less than normal. And my BM was called Consti the Rock. Worst, disposable diaper was too hot to handle. It gave me bed sores. Ay, naku. Ano kaya mayayari? Ano ba ginawa nitong pandemic sa aking buhay? It was a wake-up call for society to change. No? na-alert yung mga tao to a problem, a danger, and the need to make an action plan. Parang ganun. So, kailangan maging proactive ka sa iyong health. Focus on the quality of life and promote coping with comorbidity disorder. So, yung aking tandem na diabetologist, endocrinologist, internist, cardiologist, and I follow their prescriptive advice or action plan, as Dr. Fernandez said something. It was a strict lifestyle regimen. So, kailangan mag-exercise. Nag-exercise naman ako 4 times a week. Like I have a stationary bike and I have a glider. So, okay na yon. Tapos, kailangan din mentally active ka. So, I go through brain jogging by reading and then newspapers, magazines. Nagbabrowse-browse din ako sa internet. Nagpaganyan-ganyan. Kahit na hanggang ngayon, ang alam ko lang delete. Okay. So, I stay connected with other people and then nurture relationships with my family, my friends, and my neighbors. Pero hindi ako nangangapit bahay. Yung iba kasi naglilipat bahay. The marriage is affected. Okay. Reach out to get involved in a community. Oh yes, I do that. I'm a member of the choir. I sing every Sunday sa choir if my schedule permits. And then also, I go to some sports activities like sungka. At tapos, meron din naman akong Bible study. Right? And then, this one is for real. Minimize stress a lot. A lot of illness are related to stress. Learn to unwind with your friends. And I do that. I have coffee with them, tea, or ganyan-ganyan. Tapos nagdi-discuss kami ng mga Netflix, Prime Video, HBO, and Korean drama. Ay, gusto ko yun. Arigatou gozaimasu ka. Japanese din. Okay. So anong masasabi ko? Siguro, ang masasabi ko lang, in a nutshell, invest in your health. You need it every day. And for all of the above that I mentioned about staying alive and physically and all those things, just use it. Don't lose it. And I think I guarantee you that you will have and stay happier each day. Now for the conclusion. Berna, naka 10 minutes na ba ako? 15. Naka-time ba? Okay, sige. Dadalingan kita. Conclusion. Okay. I'd like to thank Tony, Berna, and Savannah for embellishing my profile and embellishing and rehashing some of it. And thank you also, Isa, for taking time out to really correct my birthday. It's not April, but it is really April. No, thank you. So I was honored with trophies, recognition awards, and the most priceless recognition to this day is to be honored and crowned the Queen of Maintenance Medicines. With this crown and scepter that will symbol power, hand in hand together with GSK, doctors, healthcare givers, we have this mission and vision to unite science, technology, and talent to get ahead of a disease together. We aim to impact the health of people. We shall overcome. Thank you very much.
Nanette in the door! Follow her on TikTok. What's your handle in TikTok? They want more.
Okay. Magkakaroon na ng panel discussion?
Opo.
Mukha na akong panel?
Hindi. pero I think they want more kaya they want to follow yung TikTok. You want to launch?
Ay, TikTok to. Andyan ang manager ko.
Okay. I will plug those details in a bit.
Thank you.
But Miss Nanette, may you join me